And so now I will show you how you can send these multiple PDF files as attachments in a single email. So you will follow the standard method of composing the email by going to your email account and clicking compose. You just need to give the name of the person, select the subject, write your message, and then click this attach files icon. Browse the folder from where you want to upload the multiple files. And as in my previous tutorial, I showed you that you can select this single file and click open, and it will be attached in your email. But in case you want to attach another email, you can again follow the same sequence and you can select this second email and click open. The second file will be uploaded in the same email as an attachment. So that is the one way of attaching the multiple files, but the easier method is, so I've just deleted both the attachments and I'll just click the attach files again. I'll go to the folder and I'll select both these PDF files, and in case there are more than two, I'll select all of them and I'll click open. So both these files will be simultaneously uploaded as an attachment with my email. So we'll wait for both the attachments to be uploaded, and as you can see that both the attachments are uploaded, and now I just need to press the send button, and this message will go to the person whom you are sending these mails. So this is how you can attach multiple PDF files and send them in a single email. If there is any topic you want me to make a tutorial, you can ask that in the comment section below. And if you have found some value in this video, do give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.